welcome to minizoo. Before the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Now, I will move the animals and all the toys here. So let's start from the deer. I will take the deer. And put the deer here. And then next is zebra. I will take the zebra and put the zebra besides of deer. And then next is red Power Ranger. Let's take the red Power Ranger.
Shogun mode! Power of the ancestor!
And put this Power Ranger here. So I think the next is sheep. I will take the sheep. And put the sheep here. And then the next is dinosaur. I will take the dinosaur and put the dinosaur here behind of sheep. And then the next is cow. Let's take the cow and put the cow here. So what's the next? I think the next is the builder. I will take this builder and put the builder here. So next is green Power Ranger. Let's take.
Oh, that was just cruel! I think you broke a record!
And put the green Power Ranger here. Okay. Now is builder. Let's take the builder. And put the builder here. So the next is T-Rex. I will take the T-Rex and put the T-Rex here beside of the builder. And then yes, alright, this pink Power Ranger. Let's put the pink Power Ranger here. So the next is Snail. This is a snail. And put the snail here beside of sheep. Now is mountain goat. Let's take the mountain. mountain goat and put the mountain goat here. Okay, it is rhinoceros. Let's take and put. Now is buffalo. Let's take the buffalo and put the buffalo here beside a red Power Ranger. And then the lioness, let's take and put the lioness here in front of the stone. And the last one, alright, the last one is wolf. Let's take the wolf and put the last one here. Okay, all the animals and all the toys was here. So what do you like, guys? I think I like the snail and the lioness. Okay, hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And goodbye.